This is the XT22 T. Stick around for a few minutes so I can tell you why you're going to want one of these sitting in your dock this summer. Do you like world-class surf performance and wave adjustability for everyone in your crew? How about tons of comfort, storage, and seating for a crew of 14? Well, let's check out the 2025 MasterCraft XT22 T. As with any MasterCraft boat, you know you're getting the best waves and wakes, comfort, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. So what makes the XT22 T different from the rest of our fleet? The XT22 T is the perfect fusion of timeless design and extraordinary performance. It features the classic lines and styling of a traditional bow and a 21-foot 10-inch package, while exceeding industry standards in terms of surf performance, quality, customizability, comfort, and technology. Now, let's dive into the details. Starting here at the transom, the XT22 T features SurfStar, boasting an unrivaled surf experience thanks to its ability to easily deliver thousands of wave options. From mellow and kid-friendly to steep and powerful, simply select a rapid surf preset and the XT22 T automatically creates the perfect wave to accommodate any skill level. For those who like to fine-tune your wave, utilize the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. Whether you're setting up for surfing, wakeboarding, or foiling on the XT22 T, spend less time waiting and more time riding thanks to the optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps fill or drain ballast in a matter of minutes. The XT22 T comes standard with underwater exhaust, substantially reducing engine noise and fumes to provide a more refined, pleasant experience for your entire crew. Captains at the helm of the XT22 T will appreciate the available stern thruster. It's the most powerful stern thruster on the market, able to spin the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. Plus, the control is integrated into the throttle knob, so it's easy to use and super intuitive. When it's time to get in and out of the boat, your crew can do so easily thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. While at the transom of the XT22 T, you can enjoy the integrated transom seating. The sliding base is standard and a flip-up backrest can be added to take your lounging to the next level. The transom also features storage trays under both rear hatches, so you can easily store and access vests and ropes from either side of the transom. With room for 14, the XT22 T cockpit provides plenty of space for you and your crew. The 102-inch beam helps it feel spacious, open, and inviting. The U-shaped layout is the perfect design for entertaining, and the optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to face the cockpit, to socialize, or face backwards to watch the action behind it. Beneath all the plush interior seating, the XT22 T provides extensive under-seat storage and built-in cooler locations, all with hinged seating to make access effortless. For even more comfort on board, upgrade your upholstery to Cool Feel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl. This means there's no reason to shy away from richer colors that complement your custom design. Speaking of colors, 2025 brings some exciting new vinyl and gel coat options that are sure to turn heads. Packed with Klipsch audio, high-quality acoustic entertainment comes standard on the XT22 T. Our advanced audio package has 6 interior speakers and a subwoofer spread throughout the boat. You can select our premium audio package for additional dash speakers and a bonus subwoofer that provides some extra punch. Plus, the XT22 T comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area that can all be upgraded to provide wireless charging so you can keep the tunes going all day. Now let's chat towers. The XT22 T can be equipped with 3 different tower options, the Z6, Z8, and Z10. All towers come standard with easy-to-use clamping board racks, or you can opt for power board racks. Combined with our Bimini board storage, you'll have 10 spots for boards. The Z8 and Z10 can be customized with colored inlays to seamlessly link your tower and gel coat design, and the Z6 is now available in all black. And for the ultimate experience behind the boat, you can load up your tower with up to 4 speakers. For 2025, the helm area of the XT22 T has been completely redesigned. A massive 12-inch touchscreen is now standard, and the entire helm has a much more modern and clean aesthetic. A convenient storage cubby and phone holder has also been added behind the steering wheel. Along with improving aesthetics, this redesign allowed us to maximize space between the top of the dashboard and the windshield header, providing a larger viewing window for the captain. While the hardware upgrades are beautiful, we also reworked the entire user interface to make it even more intuitive, immersive, and customizable. A rudder position sensor has also been added for an enhanced driving experience. To make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed MasterCraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys and rotary dial allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on the water ahead. The 2025 XT22 T also has a new helm seat that provides unmatched ergonomics and comfort in a more contemporary design. Below the dash, the XT22 T comes with a standard wireless phone charger to keep the captain's phone fully powered. The XT22 T sports a traditional bow that provides classic styling and tons of comfort, storage, and functionality. An open walkway leads into the bow where you can also opt for a filler cushion if you prefer playpen seating. Thanks to the strategic subfloor ballast design, there's ample underseat storage in the bow, as well as a dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The XT22 T embodies MasterCraft's commitment to superior design and craftsmanship, setting a benchmark for excellence in the industry. Our team of naval architects designed all of our models to deliver a smooth and dry ride that surpasses industry standards for towboats. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an incredible, smooth, and comfortable on-water experience, even in rough water. With the XT22 T, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and even opt for fiberglass fenders, a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for an unrivaled towing experience. Now let's talk about what powers the XT22 T. This model comes standard with our all-new 5.3-liter GDI high-output motor. It utilizes the latest in automotive technology to deliver 380 horsepower, 407 pound-feet of torque, a 4-star emissions rating, improved efficiency and power, and approximately 15% less fuel consumption than our legacy 6-liter engine. And it's all backed by the Ilmor name. We partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine to design our engines. They're known for hand-building race car engines, and they're highly revered for both their performance and endurance in the racing industry. That's precisely why MasterCraft engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Plus, all 2025 XT models come with a new fresh air intake, which means more power, better efficiency, and improved performance even on the hottest summer days. Our commitment to quality and reliability continues even after a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the world to ensure that you get the best customer experience out there. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can now remotely monitor your boat's vitals to keep up with your service needs. Telematics also allows you to check on your boat's health and status via the innovative MasterCraft Connect app. You can even switch off your battery remotely from your phone, placing reassurance and convenience in the palm of your hand. Finally, rest assured that every XT22 T comes standard with MasterCare. We're here to support you with a comprehensive 5-year, 500-hour warranty featuring minimal exclusions. Thank you for joining me today to explore the XT22 T. If you'd like to experience the MasterCraft difference in person, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.